Welcome to the introduction video of this section. In this video, I will be talking to you about what I will be covering throughout this section. You will find out exactly what you'll be learning in this section, and you will also find out what the goal of this section is. Basically, the goal of this section is to get content that will be displayed to our potential customers in the form of ads. Now, obviously, when you run any ad on Facebook, there must be some sort of media present. Now, this media could be of any type. It could be a video, it could be an image, or a link as well. But throughout this section, we will emphasize more on videos and images. And there is a very strong reason for that. And I will tell you that later. So I will show you how you can get amazing videos and images that will 100% assuredly get amazing engagement and will lead to a lot of sales at the end. Because after all, that is our goal. So do keep in mind throughout this section, you will not learn how to run any sort of ads. We are just preparing ourselves for those ads by getting amazing content that our users or potential customers will love. So we will begin by preparing ourselves for the video ad campaign. And how do we prepare ourselves? By finding great videos that we know our potential customers will love. And how do you find such videos? Well, don't worry, I will be showing you that in this section. I will also be showing you how you can obtain those videos and then post it to your Facebook page in such a manner that it will lead to sales for sure. After that, I will be showing you how to prepare yourself for an image ad campaign. Now, quite similar to videos, images work great and they get a lot of engagement. So I will be showing you how to get amazing images, set them up on your Facebook page, and be prepared for ads. Lastly, I will also show you how to do proper audience research so that you are 100% sure who you need to target using Facebook ads. Now you must be thinking, why should we actually set up video and image ads? Why not just, post a link or something similar and redirect people directly to our website? Well, there are three main reasons for it. The first reason is that image and videos basically get a lot of engagement. Now, you must be knowing that, whenever you see an image or a video on Facebook, most of the times, if you like it, you just click on the like button. Or sometimes you even share it. And when you share it, it reaches your other friends. And it just practically goes on. And it reaches a lot of people virally. So are you getting my point? Basically, without spending a lot of money, you will be reaching a lot of people using these video ads and image ads. And this will in turn lead to a lot of sales. Now, the second reason is that these kind of ad campaigns cost less than those links and conversion ad campaigns. Basically, image and video ads cost a lot cheap if they are targeted well. And don't worry, I will be showing you how to do that exactly. And the last reason is, well, I'm not basically saying that, it's necessary to just run video or image ads. You can run link-based ads as well. Our goal is to keep on testing until we succeed. And if you are just getting confused at the moment regarding all this, then do not worry at all, because I will be clearing every single doubt of yours in the upcoming lectures. So I hope you understood and got a basic understanding about what we will be covering throughout this section. Thank you so much for watching. If you are ready, then I will see you in the next lecture.